Hi all, my name is Lakshman and today we are going to see there is another DAX function that is RANKX. So firstly we will going to see the data. So we have the 3 years of data for the players. So you can see we have the 3 years data and we have the 10 players. Virat, Warner, Pandya, Babar, Rizwan, KL Rahul and Warner, right? And Suryakumar, right? So what we want the rank of each player according to who made the highest score, right? So rank x function we return the new one single column or single value or scalar value. So firstly we are going to see the single column or new column, right? And then we will see the scalar value. Now I will click on the new column because we want to find the rank of each player. So I will give the as a column name as a rank x only, and then I will enter the syntax, right? So first in rank x we need to give the our table name. So our table name is players, right? And expression, in expression either we can give the column or another DAX function we can give here. So in our scenario firstly we will give the column only, right? So our column line on the which column we want the rank, so our column is runs, right? And value is the optional parameter, and now we want rank either ascending or descending, so now we want rank is descending, right? And skip, now there is two options when you use the rank x function, either dense or skip, right? Suppose if you have the four players, right, and they have made uh, there are four employees like A, B, C, D, and they have the salary 10,000, 20,000, 20,000, and 30,000, right? So if you want to skip, then if you have the same salary, then it will automatically jump to the next records. So we will see this. Firstly we use the skip, then you will get the actual idea what I'm trying to say, and I will click on that S button. Now you can see, so if you see Virat is the highest score, and it will give the rank for the each player, like even though it will repeat the, like we have the repeated like 10 players repeated for the 3 years, but it will give the rank for the each player, so it will not consider like not remove the duplicate and do the calculation according to our player's name. Now I will just remove this one sort one clear sort, and and if I do the sorting, now you can see the our descending. So top is the Virat, then Warner, and again you can see in the this is for the 18, 20. So it will give the ignore the year and give the rank for the each records. Now we will see the who made the highest score for the players and year wise, right? So for that we need to use the single scalar value function. So I will again what I will do, I will create one function that is total runs made by the each player for the 3 years, right? Total runs I will create one measures, new measures, and I just use the normal sum because we want the sum, right? And I will just close the bracket. Now I will click, I will create another function that will give the rank for the each player according to player name and year, right? I will create one another function that like a DAX function that is rank x, or you can see the rank according to rank according to player name. Firstly we will see the player name, then after that we will see the rank x, and here first parameter is our table name, the table name is players, then after expression. So in our we already created one expression that is total runs, here I will give because we want rank on the basis of total runs. Now value is optional parameter, we want rank descending order and ties, so I will use the tens, right? And now we will see the according to player name what rank they will give, right? And I will click on the new table and just increase the size of our table and give the player's name firstly. So we have the 10 players as I mentioned previously. So this is our player's name, right? And I will just add the total runs, right? So now you can see Warner have made the highest, like Virat. I will just sort on, so it will give the descending order. Virat have made the highest score in the 3 years. now, but we want the rank, right, according to our players. But now you can see it will give the same rank. Why it gives the same rank? Because we have not removed the filter. We want rank on this whole table, right? So now currently to give the consider the first one record as a one rank. So we want rank on the whole table. So I will remove the, so I need to add the all function, and after in the player like as a table, and I will give the rank on the basis of players, right? I will give the players, right, and I will close the bracket. Now you can see it will give the correct rank. What happened? I think players name, so total runs. So I just by mistakenly I removed that our function, I think. So then all total runs, then I will give the one more comma before this one. Okay. Then right now I will close the bucket, and now we will see the, now you can see the result. Now you can see Virat is the first rank, Warner is the second rank, and Rohit is the last rank. Rohit and Movin have the same this one rank. And if there is another players and who have the same like less number of runs, like is maybe the 590, then it will give the, if you use a skip, then it will automatically go to the 10, and if you don't, if you use the dense, it will give the 9. Now we will see the according to year who have made the highest score, right? I will just create one another table, and here firstly I will give the year and total runs. So year is our like, we need to use don't summarize because we don't want to do the any summarize year, and rank x, right? Again it will give the rank. I will just do this one. I will use the actual rank x function. Now rank according to player, but now we want rank according to year, right, on the basis of total runs. So what I will do, I will go to the this function, I will remove this player's name, and I will add player name as a year, right? I will just grab, and now we will see the, so I have not renamed the our DAX function, but now you can see. So if I do the sorting descending order, in the 2020 we have the highest score made by the all the players, right? So that's about the rank up function. So if you have any question, please write down in comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you all.